morning, my dear students. Welcome back to e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy. I am back with some new chapters of class 8. The subject is GK. In previous class, I have completed till lesson 11. From today, I will start the very new lesson, that is 12. What is 12 lesson? Just open your textbooks and take your answers. Take your answers in your help book. Given answers are given in the help book. Just answer tick one the correct answer. The first one, she was literature, literacy, शिक्षा. इसके बारे में है कुछ फेमस पर्सनालिटीज़ का. She was born in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, 1904, and known for composing emotionally charged poems in Veer Ras. Her famous work include राखी की चुनौती, विदा, वीरों का कैसा हो बसंत, and झांसी की रानी. And the name of that lady was what? Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Tick one in your help book, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Second, pioneer of new trend in Bengali literature. The name of that writer is Sharad Chandra Chattopadhyay. Second लिखेंगे आप शरद चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय. Third, considered one of the noted Indian poet of Hindi literature. हिंदी लिटरेचर के बहुत ही फेमस पोएट. He was honored with Padma Vibhushan, and his famous works include Madhushala, Khadi के फूल and Agnipath. The name of that poet is Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Okay. Fourth, she was well-known Tamil writer. Famous work includes Sirai. Many of her stories and novels has been adapted for films and TV serials. The name of that lady is Anuradha Ramanan. The name of that lady is Anuradha Ramanan. Fifth one, he was well-known playwright and Urdu writer from Punjab. ये पंजाब से हैं और प्ले लिखते हैं. And some of famous works include Garam Coat and Lajwanti. And the name of this man is what? Last one in your textbook, that is Rajinder Singh Bedi. Now lesson 13, do by yourself. Lesson 14. What is lesson 14? British American English. There are different type of English spoken in the world. Some English are very common in each and every part of world. In India, we study talk Britain English, and Britain English is slightly different from American English. We Indian don't use American English, so there are some words which are different in Britain and America. First one, autumn, that is fall. In American, that is fall. Second, bill. In America, elevator. कार bonnet को क्या कहते हैं? Hood. In American English, car bonnet is called hood. Caretaker, janitor. Chemist, drug store. In Britain or in India, what we say? Chemist. But in America, it is called drug store. 6, that is a crisp. What is called in America? That is chips. 7 is lift. In America, that is called elevator. Motorway. 8, motorway. That is in America called freeway. In Britain, the word is motorway, but in America it is called freeway. 9, nappy. change the nappy, but in America it is called diaper. Often we use diaper also. 10. Railway, but in America it is called railroad. 11. Lavatory, restroom. 12. Sweets, but in America what it called is candies. The tap, faucet, torch, flashlight. In your mobile you use flashlight ना, sometime जब darkness होती है तो आप मोबाइल का flashlight on करते हो ना. In India we call क्या, torch. Okay. 15. Wallet, but in America what we say is billfold. Okay, in America we say billfold. Now dictionary, no need to explain dictionary. Dictionary is a book which is containing the list of words with their meanings. You all people know what are dictionaries. Writer of dictionary, writing a dictionary is a special type of art is used. This special form of art is known as lexicography. Lexicography. What is lexicography? Art of writing dictionary. So you all are well known. You all people are very aware with dictionary. Now black and white. Your new lesson 16 is black and white. What is black and white? In generally, black and white are two colors. That is concerned with happy, sad, and so many. But there are some terms black and white, like blacksmith. Blacksmith. What are blacksmith? Who is blacksmith? Blacksmith is a person. Blacksmith is a person who makes और क्या करते हैं बताओ? Repair the things made up of iron. जो आयरन से चीज़ें बनती हैं या उनसे बिगड़ी हुई चीज़ों को वो रिपेयर करते हैं. And what are the person who makes the new things from tin, metal, that are called whitesmiths. So you can see the difference between black and white terms. That is blacksmith, whitesmith, black flag. What is black flag? Why we use black flag? Black flag is used to tell a driver to stop at the pits as a punishment for misdemeanor. जो रेस में गड़बड़ होता है उनको रोका जाता है कि वहाँ पे आप रुकेंगे क्योंकि आपको पनिशमेंट दिया जाता है. ब्लैक बेल्ट, कॉमन टर्म ऑफ गेम ऑफ जूडो में आप ब्लैक बेल्ट हमेशा सुनते हो. ब्लैक लिस्ट, लिस्ट ऑफ पीपल और ग्रुप रिगार्डेड एज अनएक्सेप्टेबल और अनट्रस्टवर्दी, जो अविश्वसनीय हैं, जिनको कि आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, जो सोसाइटी के लिए सही नहीं होते हैं, जो अनट्रस्टवर्दी होते हैं, जो भरोसे के लायक नहीं होते हैं. दैट लिस्ट इज कॉल्ड लिस्ट ऑफ पीपल और ग्रुप्स regarded as unacceptable. Blackwood, tropical hardwood tree which provides a very high quality of dark wood. Blackfish, large dark open ocean fish. They are related to perches. A perch is freshwater fish with high spiny dorsal fins. तो ये आपने ब्लैक के टर्म्स में देखा क्या क्या पढ़ा? ब्लैक स्मिथ, ब्लैक बेल्ट, ब्लैक लिस्टेड, ब्लैक फिश, blackwood. These are some important topics. Likewise, white flag, white belt. Your homework is to read the opposite of this, just a white flag, white belt, white list, white fish, white wood. I have told the black black terminology, and you have to study in your homework with white terminology. Okay. Now lesson 17. Just write in your textbook. First, Kishan Ganga hydroelectric plant. Second, Mathun Dam. Third, Sardar Sarovar Dam. Fourth, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. And fifth, Krishna Raja Sagar Dam. Once I am repeating these answers. First, Krishna Ganga hydroelectric plant. Second, Mathun Dam. Third, Sardar Sarovar Dam. Fourth, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. And one is Krishna Raja Sagar Dam. Now lesson 18. Write carefully. First, Rana Sanga. First, Rana Sanga. Just write the numbering system. Just write the numbers in front of your answer in help book given in your textbook. Second, Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya. Third, Mahmud Ghaznavi. Mahmud Ghaznavi. Fourth, Nadir Shah. Fifth, Jaipal. Sixth, Mir Qasim. Fifth, Jaipal. Sixth, Mir Qasim. Seven, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Eight, Ashoka. 8, Ashoka. 9, Nadir Shah. 9, Humayun. And 10, Bajirao. 10, Bajirao. 9, Humayun. Now lesson 19, Banks of India. Banks are commercial and financial establishments where we deposit our money or receive when required. बैंक ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ हम अपने पैसे जमा करते हैं या फिर उनसे निकालते हैं जब हमें ज़रूरत होती है. So there are some bank जिनका logos अलग होता है. There are some banks which have different type of logos, and in your textbook the sign of logos are given and you have to write the name of bank. Now first sign is of HDFC Bank. I know you all students are very well known with these signs, but first HDFC, second Punjab National Bank, Punjab National Bank. Third, Oriental Bank of Commerce, Oriental Bank of Commerce. Fourth, Bank of India. 5, Axis Bank. 6, Punjab National Bank. 6, that is also Punjab National Bank. 7, ICICI Bank. 8, State Bank of India. And 9, Syndicate Bank. Canara Bank. Now lesson 20. Write it carefully. First, Annie Besant. Second, Ismat Chugtai. Third, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Fourth, Bhikaji Kama, Bhikaji Kama. 5. Rani Gatinliu. 6. Mira Alfasa. 7. Mother Teresa. 8. Lakshmi Sehgal. 9. Bachendri Pal. And 10. Aruna Asaf Ali. Once I am again repeating. Annie Besant. 2nd Ismat Chugtai. 3rd Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. 4th Bhikaji Kama. 5. Rani Gatinliu. 6. Mira Alfasa. 7. Mother Teresa. 8. Lakshmi Sehgal. 9. Bachendri Pal. And 10. Aruna Asaf Ali. So remember students, I have completed till lesson 20 and I have given you some homework. Just complete your copies and in next class I will be back with some new chapters. Till then, stay safe.